What's going on, guys? Mike here on DIY Mike, where I teach you how to do it yourself. How to install a kitchen faucet. That's the topic of today's video, and like all of my videos, I have two goals. One, to show you how to do it, and two, to save you money by doing it. So let's get right to it. And if you need a new faucet, do yourself a favor and don't get the non-metallic. Listen, that's acrylic, okay? Those things break. You want brass. Hear the difference? Plastic, brass. Get metallic, don't get non-metallic. Like this guy right here. That's the one I was tapping on that sounded metallic. Also, always get you a couple new supply lines. Make sure the stainless steel braided ones, these are best option. You see the acrylic, listen to it, it even sounds horrible. This seal right here broke, and it's best just to replace these with something metal, brass. Your supply lines, you're going to want 1/2 inch to the faucet and 3/8 to the shutoff. These are the most common. Now just double check and make sure that your shutoffs and the faucet are going to be exactly what you need. On the back of the box, it tells you right here that you need 2 1/2 inch supply lines. Basin wrench you don't need. You can just use crescent wrench or channel locks or a pair of pliers. Silicone sealant, safety goggles. Always be safe. Alright, so you want to get under your sink here, find your shutoffs, make sure you turn both of them off completely. And before you begin, double check to make sure that it did in fact shut off. Right, so you want to crawl up. You want to crawl up under the sink here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be a good time. And get above your shutoffs. Get your wrench on there. Counterclockwise. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay. And just get that started. Get the other one started. And then you can pretty much crank those off by hand at that point. And that's getting tough. Okay. And just get the other one off. Alright, and you can generally just leave those stuck in right there for now. And then you got to remove this one here and this washer, which secures the faucet to the sink, and same for the other side. So yeah, let's get into that. It's going to be a lot of fun. Alright, so you want to get your crescent wrench on here. Oh, goodness gracious. This is why they say they have a basin wrench, but I tend to improvise most of the time with what I have available. Alright, that seemed to come off pretty easily. Okay.
There she blows.
Oh yeah, right on my head. And then you gotta loosen these up. A lot of times you can't get that by hand. They can be rather difficult. And you want to take that all the way off. And repeat for the other side. Oh, old lay under kitchen cabinets like this. There we go. Oh. All right, let's get out from underneath this beast. Once that's done, and this should just lift straight up out of there. There we go. Get back under the sink here. Oops, wrong one. Wiggle that guy out. There we go. Grab your new supply line. Be sure to not cross thread. All right. Begin to tighten that up. Just finger tight for now. Same with the other side. All right. Let's get them finger tight. And now onto the faucet. I got these set in the box, so we got to take these off. Need to take them off anyhow to be able to get the faucet into the sink. There we go. Take it out of the plastic. You want to take your faucet, set her down in there, grab these guys, and crawl back underneath. And get this stuff out of your way, maybe. Might be helpful. Oh yeah, looks like fun. Okay. All right, now that we're back underneath, I'm gonna take those black nuts here. Be sure again, do not cross thread, take your time. Make sure it starts, and then you can just spin those guys on. Now don't get it too tight just yet, because you want to get the faucet centered up. And get your other one on here. Alright, get them a little bit snug. Then you want to pop out up top to make sure that this is centered. See, it's a little bit crooked. So you want to make an adjustment there. Make an adjustment if you have to. Make sure it's evenly placed. Then crawl back under and finish tightening. Awesome. Now make sure you hook up the cold and the hot side to the proper side, okay? Just set your supply line on there. Again, be careful not to cross thread. Now, with all of this plumbing, the key is to get everything finger tight and repeat this process for that side. I gotta set this down, I can't hold it and do it at the same time.
finger tight, and then give them about a quarter to a half turn with the wrench. Maybe just a little bit more, just get them snug. You do not want to over tighten these, okay, because they will leak and you will damage it. And that's not something you want to do. Alright, perfectly tight. Now, to tighten them up on the shutoff. Again, not over tightening, just snug. Be careful, guys. Ladies don't like weak fingers. Haha. Alright. And turn your water back on. Make sure you don't have any leaks here or up there. Looks good, nothing leaking, nothing leaking. Now we go top side. And here we are top side. Boom. Boom. All done, and this took me about 10 minutes. So as you can see, it's not too difficult, but make sure to get a metal faucet. These plastic ones, acrylic, they're junk. Don't do it to yourself. You'll end up having to buy another faucet in another year, and you could have just spent the extra $5 and been fine for 10 years. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it saved you some money. I hope this was an easy process for you. Not all faucets are exactly the same, but it's really an easy process as long as you know the basic steps. So comment, like, subscribe, and give me any questions that you have and that you of anything that you encountered, and I'll do the best I can to answer them. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.